some videos.
Guys, welcome back to HLP Products, HalferLand Performance. Once again, guys, I am extremely proud to bring another first to the J Series market or industry, and I'll just get into it. So we have here the first ever mass-produced J Series crankshaft main cap upper stud kit. So these are the top or upper studs. They replace the bolts for the main caps, and let me just show you. Of course, you get your spec sheet as always. You get your sticker. Cold rolled, cold forged, 12-point nuts. You get all your washers, of course. And then you get all of your main cap upper studs. So like I said, guys, these are going to replace the main cap upper studs. Hold on, let me take you over here. So this is what they're replacing right here. All of these upper or top, whatever you want to call it, main cap studs. So these are the block or crankshaft main caps right here. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And it replaces all of those top side. I was contemplating doing the sides, but honestly, guys, most of the load is taken by these. This basically just centers the cap and holds it in from moving kind of like that, where these will take most of the load from the crankshaft, you know, coming down on the compression stroke. They are the same proprietary chromoly alloy mix as our HLP cylinder head studs, which have been proven to 1160 wheel horsepower. So it's the same alloy, exact same alloy as our head studs. Like I said, our studs are guaranteed for a year to 1,000 horsepower, and that is not going to change for these. Honestly, guys, if you're going to consider doing any additional torque to the main caps, I suggest 5 foot-pounds over, because the higher you go, the more likely it is to distort the cap. So you're torquing down, that cap is like this, it could end up kind of squaring off at the top. And obviously if you go higher torque specs than OEM, I would suggest double checking and triple checking your bearing clearances. All right, now keep in mind, guys, the strength of these studs, these main cap studs, are not in the torque spec, it's in the alloy itself. So these are rated to 230,000 psi of tensile strength. So right there we're talking ARP 2000 level. All right, and like I said, again, our HLP head studs have been pushed to 1160. We have multiple guys over 1,000, and then tons of guys in the 500 to 800. Never a single failure, defect, or lifted head whatsoever. So I'm excited to release these guys, and best of all, they're going to be listed for $85.95. Like, it's a no-brainer, man. It's a no-brainer. If you're building a block, $85, you can have the reassurance that your crankshaft and your main caps are just going to be freaking locked in, you know. And we do have some other first to the industry products that are coming. We have 2 that are being manufactured now. One's still in development. That's going to be a minute. But yeah, just stay tuned, guys. I hope you like the release, and it's gonna fitment. It's gonna be for all Gen 2, Gen 3 engine codes. So the only engine codes they are not going to fit are the Gen 1 engines, which would be the J30A1, the J30A3, the J32A1, J32A2, and then J35A1 through A4. All the A's after that, the Gen 2 A's, they will fit. All the Z's, they will fit. All the Y's, they will fit. All the J30AC's, they will fit. So they fit the large majority, just not the super old, like first gen J series. And of course, we're going to list all the fitments and everything on our store, but I did want to advise that to you guys. We are working on a Gen 1 fitment, but honestly, I'm not, I'm just going to leave that out. I'm not sure what we're going to do there, man. I just don't know if the sales are going to be there. But anyways, guys, $85.95 free shipping. Like I said, 1 year warranty, guaranteed to 1,000. You stretch them against any stretch, defects, or anything like that. What's up, guys? So I was made aware of this today. Shout out to Peter. I got to eat my words, and I don't know very many people that would do this, but I'm going to eat my words because I was wrong. I was completely wrong. I stated in our post in our YouTube video that we're the first mass-produced J-Series main cap stud kit. We may be the first mass-produced, but looking at this, I was just made aware today that Inline Pro apparently has offered it for at least a year. As you can see, they're $199.95. And ours are on sale for $80.95. I guess I can raise my price, guys. I'm not going to do that to you. I'm going to leave it. Literally, the guys, what I do, I manufacture the part. We obviously design and get them made. And then I take my margin. That's all I do, guys. I don't go based off of anybody else. So technically, I could have listed ours for $150. And you still would have saved $40-$50 off of them. But guys, I'm going to leave them at $85.95. They're still on sale for the new release at $80.95 free shipping.